So I'm sure you already heard about that, but maybe you don't really know why you need it, how to get it in your body, and what does it do for your skin. So I'm talking about collagen, the one of the beautiful way for rejuvenated skin. So in the world of skincare, the term collagen often sounds like something very supreme. It's is recognized as a vital ingredient for maintaining youthful, supple, healthy skin, and it has a lot of benefits for the skin. Yeah, from within and from without as well. But what exactly is collagen? What are the health benefits of it? Why is it good for skin transformation, and how to get it and where? So let's start from the beginning. What is collagen? So at its core, collagen is a structure protein. Our body is a protein production machine. We have protein of everywhere, and in the skin it's called collagen, and it serves the foundation of the skin. It's providing it with strength, elasticity, and a beautiful, healthy glow. Think of collagen as the ingredient that supports the skin structure and connective tissues together, ensuring it remains firm and smooth. However, as we grow, our body natural collagen production begins to decline, and leading to visible signs of wrinkles and sagging skin and fine lines. So, what are the top benefits of collagen for your skin? The first one is fighting signs of aging. And you can you can have it. Let's talk about first inside. So integrating collagen supplements or drinks, and on the outside treatments that help produce collagen. It helps the bring back lost combating aging signs, and as the natural production of collagen declines. Collagen peptides improve elasticity and stimulate collagen fibers, restoring firmness of the skin and again reducing wrinkles and fine line. The second benefit is skin hydration. Collagen peptides promote skin hydration and moisture retention, which is critical for beautiful, glowing, radiant skin. And by strengthening the skin moisture barrier, collagen locks in hydration. Think about locks in the water, leaving it plump and smooth. The third benefit, it improves skin texture and skin tone. So if you take a supplement or drink, or if you do the treatment that help induce more collagen, which is the ultra hydrofacial, it stimulates new collagen production. It's improving the skin texture, the quality of the skin, the tone, and reducing imperfections. It's and it just by boosting a healthy production of collagen, it also helps with acne scars and marks and uneven skin tone. It's overall improves skin's health. Collagen peptides rich in amino acid strengthen skin structure, repair damaged tissues, and promote the cells turnover for smoother and more resilient skin. It nourishes the skin and helps protect it against environmental damages that outside. Now, can collagen also help with other conditions besides the skin? Well, I'm not a doctor, okay? But beyond the cosmetics benefits, collagen also has many other health benefits. It helps speed wound healing and tissue regeneration. It helps treating burns and other like dermatologic concerns. It has anti-inflammatory properties that soothe irritated skin and improve wound healing, like I just said. It can improve conditions of eczema and psoriasis. And collagen powders and supplements are used to also assist with the joint health due to the impact on the connective tissues. So, how to add collagen to your skincare routine? So, when it comes to incorporate supplements or collagen drinks to your skincare routine, there are tons of options to choose from. You want to do your research, of course. You want to find like the percentage of collagen that's in there, how much, and if it's a powder, how much other things are additive to that and how much are not. I personally drink every morning a drink with collagen and Q10 that I see the improvement, and that's the inside thing that I do. But you can take it also as a supplement. Just do the research. I don't want to kind of recommend brands here because also different age need different amount of collagen. You can also eat food that's rich with collagen, and that will be fish, beans, leafy greens, and bone broth, and cashew nuts. And there are two beautiful treatments that I do here in the salon that helps collagen production. One of them is the Ultra Hydra Facial, which I spoke about many of times. You can find a lot of videos that I explain it. And the second one is the LED light mask therapy, which especially the red color light helps with the collagen production. So at Pure Salon, the advanced treatments, these two advanced treatments, and the info that I always love to give during the treatment are tailored for you to enhance your well-being, ensuring your radiant beauty and the most benefit that you can get from the treatment and from what you do at home. So I hope this gave you a little bit of overview. What is this thing, which is a protein? Why is it necessary for your overall well-being and for your skin? And that you can get it from inward with supplements or drinks, and outside from two beautiful treatments. So you are welcome to come over and do this advanced treatment, and we can discuss also. I can show you what I use as supplements and give you my best tips.